everyone, hope you all are doing very well and keep practicing because practice is much more important than all other things. Okay, so now come to the point what I will describe today. Today I will elaborate about that what is big data. What is big data? So in a very short answer, if I elaborate this question, so big data is a term used to describe extremely large and complex data sets that are difficult to process and analyze using traditional data management tools. So it's important for several reasons, but I'll describe so two or three or four reasons because I'm creating a short video, as you all know. Okay, so first is insights and decision making. Big data provides valuable insights into trends, patterns, and customer behavior. This data can be used to make informed business decision. This data can be used to for business decision. And if I talk about second, competitive advantage. Organization can gain a competitive edge by big data to develop new products, optimize operations, and improve customer experience. Okay, if I talk about third, innovation. Big data is essential for various fields like AI, ML, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Okay, and now if I talk about third, cost savings. Effective use of big data can lead to cost reductions by identifying and optimizing processes. Okay, so this is a big data definition. If I because I'm creating a short content, so this is a very short answer of big data. Okay, thank you so much. If you really like this video, then please go and subscribe my channel and like this video. I'll be back soon with another more and more important content. Okay, bye bye, take care, keep practicing because practice is really much more important than all other things. So keep practicing as much as you can. Bye bye, take care.